I can say with acclaim that at some point you must have thought of increasing the size of your important image, and you must have failed in it. But now you don't need to worry about it. There is an AI tool called Replicate which will take care of it. So let's explore that tool. Alright, so this is the AI tool we are talking about. You just need to sign in with GitHub account and you are good to go. Alright, so as you can see here, we have two options. You can either upload the picture from your device or you can take a picture with your webcam, but most of the time you will be using the upload option. So let me upload the image. Here we have. So this is our image. As you can see here, the quality of the image is not so good, right? Okay, now scroll down. Now here you have to tell the number of times you want to scale your image. Let's say 5 for now, and then click on submit. It will take some time to process the image, so let's wait for the result. And look at that, this is the magic of AI. So this is the before and this is the after result. Now you can download this image by simply clicking on this download button. Hope you enjoyed this video. The link of this AI tool is in the description and this is absolutely free for now. So share this video with your friend and have fun with it. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe the channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye!